Inside the Port, step-by-step guide to vessel discharge operations at Nigerian ports. This comprehensive overview takes you through the intricate process of how tanker vessels discharge cargo at Nigerian ports, focusing on fuel transfer operations. From arrival to departure, every step is designed to ensure safety, efficiency, and adherence to regulations. Here's a detailed breakdown of the procedure. Section 1. Arrival and pre-discharge preparations. The discharge operation begins with pre-arrival coordination. Cargo and vessel documentation are submitted to the ship agent, who then notifies relevant authorities such as the Nigerian Ports Authority, NPA, NIMASA, Customs, and the terminal about the vessel's estimated time of arrival, ETA. Before berthing, the agent ensures the designated jetty is available and checks the jetty draft and length overall LOA against the vessel's specifications. A pilot and tugboats assist in guiding the tanker to the jetty. Required documents including the notice of arrival, crew list, ship's particulars, and pre-arrival forms are cleared. Safety inspections of shore hoses, cargo arms, and equipment are conducted to meet NPA and terminal standards, ensuring readiness for discharge operations. Section 2. The discharge operation. Once securely berthed, the vessel undergoes clearance by port health, immigration, customs, and other authorities. The discharge process begins with the connection of flexible hoses or loading arms to the terminal's cargo manifold. A joint inspection is carried out to verify cargo temperature, density, and quantity, with figures recorded in the cargo ullage report. Shore and ship valves are then opened in a controlled sequence, and pumps initiate the transfer of cargo under constant supervision. Safety measures are strictly adhered to throughout the operation. Communication is maintained via VHF or handheld radios, and pressure and flow rates are continuously monitored to prevent incidents. Section 3. Monitoring and control. During the discharge process, the ship agent acts as the central coordinator, providing updates to vessel owners, charterers, and authorities on progress, cargo volumes, and any delays. Environmental and safety protocols are enforced, with spill control kits, emergency shut-off valves, and vapor control systems on standby. Depending on the cargo type and pumping rate, the discharge operation typically takes 12 to 24 hours to complete. Section 4. Completion and documentation. Once the discharge is finalized, ship and terminal officers perform a final gauging to confirm the delivered cargo volume. The agent ensures all necessary documents, including discharge certificates, timesheets, and port clearance documents, are signed and submitted. Critical paperwork such as the bill of lading, certificate of quantity, and cargo statement is cross-checked for accuracy before submission to customs and other authorities. After approval, the pilot and tugboats are arranged for the vessel's departure, and a full discharge report is issued to the ship owner and charterer. Conclusion. The process of discharging cargo at Nigerian ports, particularly at Apapa Jetty, is a meticulous operation requiring precision, coordination, and professionalism. From arrival to departure, every step is carefully managed to ensure efficiency and compliance with regulatory standards. If this guide has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SeaMayors Digital Hub for more expert maritime insights. Your support enables us to create valuable content for maritime professionals across Africa and beyond. Stay professional, stay digital, and keep navigating your success. Subscribe, like, comment, share.